Hello everyone, welcome to the channel JRF Gurukul. Today we will be discussing about the poem Where the Mind is Without Fear by Rabindranath Tagore. This particular poem comes under University of Calcutta English compulsory paper CCF same one AEC1. This is a compulsory paper. So today we will be discussing about this particular poem. To begin with, we will know a little bit about the poet himself, who is Rabindranath Tagore. So Rabindranath Tagore was a renowned Indian poet, writer and philosopher and Nobel laureate known as Gurudev. He wrote in Bengali and English, producing poems, songs, plays, essays, novels, and stories. His works often explore themes of spirituality, humanism, nature, and nationalism. Famous collections like Gitanjali brought him international acclaim, especially for combining traditional Indian thought with modern literary styles. Tagore's writings encouraged freedom, peace, and universal brotherhood. Okay, this is all about. Next, we will read the summary of Where the Mind is Without Fear. Line by line summary I will provide in this particular video. It will be easier for the students to know what the poem is about. Okay, so the first line, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. The poet hopes for a place where people live fearlessly and with pride and dignity. This particular line, held high, that means pride, dignity, self esteem. Okay, next line, where knowledge is free. He wishes for a society where education and knowledge are accessible to everyone. Free, that means everyone could have an access to the education, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls. Tagore dreams of a unified world without divisions caused by narrow mindedness, caste और religion. ये सारा कुछ divisions जहाँ पर नहीं रहेगा. Next line we have, where words come out from the depth of truth. People should speak honestly and sincerely from deep within themselves. Next line we have, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection. He admires continuous hard work and the pursuit of excellence without giving up. Where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit, logic and reason should guide people instead of outdated customs and blind traditions. Where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought and action. He prays to God to guide minds toward broad, progressive thinking and meaningful deeds. That means जहाँ पर logic रहेगा, जहाँ पर ऑनेस्टी रहेगा, ब्रॉड माइंडसेट रहेगा, प्रोग्रेसिव माइंडसेट रहेगा, प्रोडक्टिवनेस रहेगा, है ना, मीनिंगफुल डीड्स रहेगा, एक्सेलेंस विदाउट गिविंग अप, लाइक एक्सेलेंस जहाँ पर आप अगर अगर हार जाते हो पर आपको रुकना नहीं है, नेवर गिव अप, keep pursuing of towards the excellence without giving up. Next line we have, into the heaven of freedom my father let my country awake. Finally, he asked God to wake his country, a metaphor for freedom, enlightenment, and progress. So this is all about the poem. The poet is actually talking about the upbringing and how we should look towards our life, that complete progressive nature, that complete positive outlook of our life we should look at. Like where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection के लिए we need to work hard. We never give up, we never give up, right? So we have next the critical appreciation of the poem. About 400 words I have written this particular critical appreciation of this particular poem. So you will get the entire PDF, this particular PDF, in my telegram channel ki link will always be there in the description box, so don't forget to check the description box to get the ultimate access to the telegram group, where you will get the PDF notes. ये जो written material हैं ये आप लोग प्रिंट आउट करके या सॉफ्ट मटेरियल आपके टैब से फ़ोन से कहीं से भी आप लोग एक्सेस कर पाओगे, पढ़ पाओगे। ये कम्प्लीटली फ्री है, कोई भी पेड नहीं है। सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू come into my telegram channel to have all the pdfs in free manner. Again, I'm saying it is completely free. So don't forget to subscribe my youtube channel JF Gurukul, where you will get regular updates regarding English. Mainly my subject is English. I am a net qualified candidate, so definitely my subject is English. And at the same time you will get University of Calcutta updates, notice, everything that students need for, students are looking for. You will get the notifications, every regular updates, everything in my telegram channel as well. University of Calcutta के जो notices आते हैं वो भी मैं वहाँ पर अपलोड करती रहती हूँ. So you need to have an access to the original thing, right? फेकनेस में हमें बिलीव नहीं करना है, ठीक है. क्रिटिकल अप्रिसिएशन ये है, तो आप लोग यहाँ पर पॉज करके ये पढ़ सकते हो. एट द सेम टाइम यू विल गेट दी एंटायर PDF नोट इन माई टेलीग्राम चैनल की लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माई यूट्यूब चैनल JF Gurukul. हैप्पी लर्निंग, कीप स्टडिंग. टिल देन, गुड बाय. In this critical appreciation I have talked about everything like metaphor, जो कि rhetorical devices हैं, इनके बारे में बातें की गई हैं. Metaphor appears in the lines about reason as a clear stream that should not lose its way into the dreary desert sand of dead habit. हमें जो बुरी आदतें हैं, जो कि बैड हैबिट्स हैं, जो कि नेगेटिव हैबिट्स हैं, उन्हें हमें मतलब रिमूव करना है, इरेज करना है फ्रॉम आवर रेगुलर हैबिट्स, और पॉजिटिविटी को हमें लाना है. ऐसे कि जैसे ग्रोथ को इनकरेज करना है ना. स्टैग्नेशन मतलब कहीं पर रुक जाना, ये हमें नहीं करना है ना. ठीक है. द कंक्लूडिंग लाइन्स आर अ हार्टफेल्ट प्रेयर इन्वोकिंग गॉड एज माई फादर. गॉड को क्या कहा जा रहा है? फादर कहा जा रहा है ना. गॉड को फादर कहा जा रहा है. एंड टू लीड द कंट्री टूवर्ड अ हेवन ऑफ फ्रीडम. फ्रीडम इज नॉट जस्ट पोलिटिकल बट मेंटल एंड spiritual, encompassing freedom of thought, expressing and action. The poem's strength lies in its simplicity and universality. Definitely, the poem is written in a very simple manner. Written in free verse, it flows naturally without strict rhyme or meter, emphasizing sincerity, urgency. The poet's masterful use of metaphors and imagery inspires hope and calls for awakening. In a sense, where the mind is without fear remains a timeless hymn to freedom, unity, and human dignity, motivating individuals and nations alike to strive for a better world. जो भी सारे नए स्टूडेंट्स हैं, कॉलेज लाइफ में इंटर करने वाले हैं, उन लोगों को ये पढ़ना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ये कंपलसरी पेपर है. 50 मार्क्स के पेपर हैं ये, तो उन्हें तो ये पढ़ना पड़ेगा ही, है ना. तो ये तो पढ़ना पड़ेगा उन लोगों को. सेम 1 CCF AEC 1 इसे कहा जाता है, तो उन्हें ये सब पढ़ना है. आप लोग पॉज करके भी यहाँ से पढ़ सकते हो. एट द सेम टाइम यू कैन गेट द फ्री एक्सेस ऑफ माई टेलीग्राम ग्रुप, एंड वहाँ पर ये PDF आप लोगों को मिल जाएगा. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर योर कॉलेज लाइफ एंड सेमेस्टर 1 सिस्टम, सेमेस्टर 1 स्टूडेंट्स. Till then, finally, goodbye for this video. Next we will have a lot of videos regarding AEC papers, compulsory papers, English honors papers, minor papers, University of Calcutta के हैं, जहाँ के भी हैं नोटिस वगैरह, सारा कुछ you people will get. So don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye.